Good morning, chat. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, guys, on a happy Friday show. How's it going? How do you feel today? What's up, guys? What's up, everyone? Like the video. Yes, thank you guys so much. Welcome, chat. Good evening. How do you feel today? Hey, welcome. Let me just update our community. We're live. What's up? What's up? What's up? $125,000 in prop giveaways today. Happy to be on board, trading above 300s for the Nasdaq, but we're touching the daily volume with average price at this level. We have an interesting triangle, guys. And it's quite of a day right there. What's up, guys? Thank you. We have 7 days on this account. 7 days. 3 more days are needed of $150 each. And we're going to be able to request the payout. 3 more days of $150 each. That's it. So because of that, I switched to micros. Instead of continuing trading the minis on this account, I actually switched to micros. This is the YRM. 150K instant funded. Right? We've got 7 days. We made... where is it? This one. I bought a lot of the accounts today. I bought a lot of the evaluations today. And we might be able to trade some. We're down to micros here. $2 a point, right? Not bad. It's going to be a little bit different. But the fact that you're having more flexibility on your DCA, I like that idea. Testing out a little short here. Let's see if we get a denial here. If we get a denial, which is how the patterns have been playing around, might get that denial, right? This kind of a movement. We'll see, guys. We got 15 micros. Look at that. Stop loss break even. About to hit a profit. Oh, that was pretty close. That was pretty close hitting on the profit. No. That was pretty close, guys. Look at that one. 305. And we managed to probably a single tick or something like that. Look at that one, guys. Come on. We touched the break even. Form should be working fine. Probably have to reaccumulate here for a short. Testing it out, guys. Might not be a good idea. Let's just wait and see. Let's just wait and see. Pretty good looking for the moment. 12 micros short. Pretty good looking for the moment. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like the video. Come on. It's by the Google. That's an error from Google. Oh, look at the long wick. We would have been $196 in profit there by the end of the wick, guys, and I didn't watch it. Should have been paying attention to that. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. Let's bring up the numbers. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much. Let's see. 21 micros. We have accumulated sufficiently here. Let's see. Not going to be able to touch this one for the moment. Got in a little more. Our exit is right there around 308. Come on. 2 points needed, guys. 2 points. It's just madness, right? Beautiful. Target has been touched. $166 profit. Look at that, guys. We're going to celebrate because this is day number 8 on this account. Day number 8. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Boom. There you go. Celebration time. Day number 8. Chat, we're doing fine. We're having a great time. Come on. Make sure to like the video. Let me just share the presentation with all the community members pretty much everywhere. YouTube is having a problem with the chat. I am totally aware about it. $166, let me show you the numbers. Here's the table. Right. Here on the live stream. Some people experience problem with the chat. They talk about it on our Discord. Look at that one. Look at that one. That's a lovely image, buddy. So we've got day number 8. We got a 700s here. This is the net P&L column. $700 there. And then the rest of the days. So day number 8. 2 more days of $150. And we're ready to fly. Link is not working for some people. Let me test it out. It works to me. I can also see people have already signed up. Beautiful, guys. So we have day number 8. Continuing with the next account, where this one, I'd like to make a little more here. So I'm going to get myself connected to the minis, right? 3 minutes short. Take profit down the road. Adding another contract to this. Take profit down the road. Let's go, guys. Come on. 3 minutes, 4 minutes short. This is another account. But this would be day number 7 here. I can see it functional from my side. You guys want to verify it a little later. Trading ROYRM account. Putting together big money with that. Let's see if we can continue our choppiness. Thank you so much, guys. Welcome. Adding another contract to this. We're short 6 minis on this one. Looking for a drop here. Otherwise, we're going to cut it away. The only thing is we're trading on the daily volume weighted average price, and that might not allow me for a continuation. But let's just wait it out. Let's just wait it out and see. We're going to be tight on the stop loss soon. Right. We have the 200 EMA and the daily volume weighted average price marching together. Stop loss break even. Give it a go. Come on. Give it a go. Break even has been touched. Yeah. Let me just sit out of this place. There is an issue from Google. There is an issue with Google with that. Try to access the link from our Discord. I just put the giveaway link in our Discord, guys. Try to access the link from the Discord. Or to manually write it in your browser, or do copy paste or something like that. BTC has nicely recovered and it's going up. I think BTC is going to have a pretty strong session in the upcoming weeks, or in the weeks to come, along with the altcoins. But we'll see, guys. Obviously, we'll see. You know. I think it's more about pumping. Adding a contract here.
Order
I'm
filled.
also grabbing my first long for the Lucid 150k accounts. Three minis.
Order filled. Order filled.
Stop loss is going to be right below this. For my YRM, 265, I'll take that loss if needed. And in this case scenario, the same thing. If needed, I'll take that loss all day long.
Order filled. Order filled.
Come on. It's a beautiful initial move, guys. Come on. Bring it up. Bring it up, guys. Oh. What did you have done there? It's not looking good.
Order filled.
We got stopped out on both sides. Oh, look at a silly price action. It just wicked to the upside, but we've missed that one and the break even touched. Silly price action. Yeah. Changing my daily loss from 2,000 to 2,500 here. I need a little buffer. We just release some pressure. Good morning, welcome everyone. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on, let's pick up those numbers. So we have day number 8 in one of the YRM accounts, which is absolutely lovely. 2 more days and we go for the payout. Today is going to be day number 4 on my Lucid Flex 150k. We're going to trade that on Quant Tower. That's also pretty close to the payout. And this account that you're seeing here is basically going to be day number 7 today. They brought it all the way back. Look at that one. We've been swept out by the liquidity. Testing out a little long here. Take profit for the upside move. All the way up into 25. Not even needing that much. Same story for my
Order filled.
Lucid Direct account.
Order filled.
If we could actually optimize for a good catch. Good morning, welcome everyone.
Order filled.
Come on. Oh, this 1 minute wicks, guys, at the top here. Very ugly. None of the situations we tried to push worked out for the moment. 5 minute becomes ugly too, but you see, things are changing from a second to the other in a pretty unpredictable way with this price action. Looks like volume is quite dirty with us. The spread, the price action is slow, exactly. So we see this kind of 15-20 points movements that are always ending up in wicks, trailing and hitting the losses. We have seen it in the past structure here for the last 30 minutes on both sides. I'm not that comfortable. So I'm just waiting, and I'm going to cut it away if this is going to continue so ugly. I'm going to cut you. And I'll wait for a different price action, different model. Look at that. It's just, you know, look at that. You can see the whole thing spiking up 10 points in a matter of seconds. Out of the blue, just like that. Certainly not a smooth price action, and it's hard to read this price. Oh, look at that. Just as we speak, guys.
Order filled.
Did we touch the profit here too? Yeah. There you go. 1,182 on 3 accounts. Lucid direct 150k. And 980 for this one. Very important, guys, because this is day number 7. And it's time to send the fireworks. Time to send the great Friday times. Look at that one. Boom. Expected the long here, and they delivered. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, market makers. Have a lovely day. Have a lovely time watching the live stream. This is day number 7 here. Let me share with you guys. The other one is day number 8, what we traded earlier, and this is day number 7. Let me show you all the numbers and how we got here. Right, so you want to see the net P&L. This is the net P&L column. Right, look at that. Very good. Shout out to the market makers, exactly. Make sure to like the video, guys, come on. So this is what happened, $1,015 in the first day. And then we kept it with the minimum, because you know, with YRM, once you have an instant funded or you have a funded from a challenge, it doesn't matter. The only thing you gotta do is 10 days of $150 each and nothing more. You don't have a payout target. For example, you buy an instant funded, $150 for 10 days and you're ready to take your payout. If you're making more, it's even better. It's just $150 each. So we made 1,000 in the first day and then 2 quite minimum days. Third day is also, 4th day actually, minimum. 5th day was actually another minimum day. Yesterday we made 1,000, we pushed, and today another 1,000. And now we're at 153,720. So with the highest day sitting on 1,015, we got to do times 5 because it's 20% consistency, which means we have to make $5,075. I have 3,720. And that means I still have to earn $1,355 in the next 3 days. So that is around $450. 451. 451 for 3 days. And we're good to go for the payout on this account too. Right, we're speaking about the instant prime, instant funded. 150k. With my coupon code SCRAMBLE, you get 50% off instead of 40 as they give you. And that's $450 for the account instead of $540. $90 difference. At 3 accounts, which is the max you can have funded, that's $270 extra discount. 270. That's a lot. So you pay $450 for something that is having a $6,000 drawdown, and you only have to do 10 days of $150 each. Very, very simple from my standpoint. This is how the chat is back. Great to hear you guys. Plus, they also have the evaluations if you care about those. It's just $44 with my code. The 50k evaluation, yeah. No activation fee, nothing like that. Pretty smooth. Yeah, so we traded to YRM 150k. Absolutely correctly. I like to trade my third. We also traded this. Whoa, look at that. Got a new one, fresh 150k, instant funded today. I think this is going a little bit lower. So I'm opening 2 contracts here. And I just want to make the minimum, guys. It's the first day. I want to close it out in green. Yeah. Buenos dias. Welcome. Good morning. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. It is. So we're going to get some nice movements. Yeah, I would be able to check that out, Maddie. You have a feeling you're going to win today? Do you have a feeling? 64 guys have signed up in the giveaway. 64. Let me verify, Maddie, if you're here. If it went through. Good day, Martin. Yeah. VWAP support sitting there. Well, let's just do some more choppiness here. Ah. Let me test out a short.
Order filled.
On this account too.
Order filled.
Yes, it went through. You're fine. Bring it down, baby. 450 on the profit wouldn't be bad here. Bring it down. This is looking much better. Not trading gold. We'll check your form as well, Mo.
Order filled.
Adding to this short. And we touched the break even here. So, oh my gosh, they pushed it up, touched my break even, and then dump it. Look at that. Our target would have been hit.
Order
I think this is
filled.
going lower, guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
Well, let's just wait. If this level reacts, I'm gonna cut it away. I would have loved to see a continuation instead of this green candle here. A continuation downwards for sure. Instead of this green candle. Come on.
Order filled.
Lucid, no consistency and payout target on the funded stage for the flex accounts. We're going to have a great video posted during this weekend comparing the flex with the direct accounts, and I'm going to show you some great things for the Lucid. I'll keep you updated with that. We got some Lucid flex funded accounts. This is another candle that I should have expected to continue its drop. I don't like this purchasing pressure that stepped in.
Order filled.
I sold half of it. I'm gonna cut half of my position from here too. Accepted a partial loss. I'm not touching Tap Step. I am not touching it. Good morning. Make sure to join our Discord community as well. In order to win the giveaway and be able to participate, you gotta join the Discord, guys. Discord, like the video, and be subscribed to our channel. These are the things along the way with completing the form.
Order filled.
Looks ready for a nice continuation. Let's see if we make the step forward, guys. Come on. Nah. Nah, I don't like it.
Order filled.
I'm cutting half of it. I'm fully
Order
out
filled.
here. I'm flat over here too. Nah. We're forcing the breakout of that dynamic swing and short volume with average price, the green line I have. We're forcing the breakout out there, probably hunting the yellow, which is the resistance of the trending line. We're sitting in a triangle here, but the best part is if we've been successfully sitting above the daily VWAP, right? So something that I could say it's totally confirmed right now, especially with the movement we had, and I got stopped out, this movement, confirmed the fact that we're sitting above this 200 EMA, the purple line, and the daily VWAP. Oh. Now I do remember you. This is a brand new account. First day, down 1,400 for the moment. I'm not planning leaving it like that. Let me also open up my Flex accounts. I want to do the minimum there. No worries, buddy. Wish you the best recovery and the best situations. Wish you the best. Testing out along here for a continuation. Same thing on my Lucid direct
Order
accounts.
filled. Order filled.
We're quite aggressive here. Look at that one. Seeking the breakout above this green line. Let's see if we're fully capable of confirming it.
Order filled.
Marching towards my longs. Looks a little bit better. Come on.
Order filled.
Ready to make that step forward, right? I want to get into my flex accounts too. Do not run without me. We got into my flex account, long trade. Look at that one, guys. We got into my flex long too. $338 for the exit here. We're pretty aggressive. Ho ho. Yeah. Yeah. Well, if I touch my targets, you know, I could actually leave a runner here on this.
Order filled. Order filled.
Trade of 8.
Order filled.
On this trade of 8. Sim Pro from Tap on Futures. Could actually leave some runner positions there. Couldn't confirm anything above the 30s. Not that enjoyable. 6 candlesticks sitting around the 30s without receiving any acceptance. Not that enjoyable. Look at that one, guys. Let's see how does this candle closes and how does the next one opens if it's a violent. Look at that. That green line is holding us, clearly confirmed. The question is about the capability of pushing it all the way down to the 300s. VWAP. That's the question on the matter. Yes, Simpro Tap 1 Futures funded account with a trade of 8. No, Tap 1 accounts are all instant funded. Instant funding accounts do not have activation fees. None of the accounts we have as giveaways are running with activation fees. None of them.
Order filled.
Not that happy about what I see here. We need, yeah, quick reaction came in. Let's see if we're able to build on it. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. This time, we certainly need the 20s and the 22 to hold. We need that 22 holding the mark. Come on, guys, make sure to like the video. We're trading the YRM. We're trading the Lucid Flex. Trading them boys out here, but could certainly be a little bit better here. We quickly need a green candle taking this one above the 27, 28. Right? This 5-minute candlestick we have right now opened should be converted into green. Look at that, how we're sitting here, guys. Waiting for volume. I don't need more than the 36 movement. We also have it on Quant Tower. Come on. Time not to be rejected. See some acceptance above. Come on. See some acceptance above. There's 1 minute to go out of this candle before it closes, and I'd like to see it push higher. We have a flat opening right now in the next minute on the hourly. Keep in mind to join our community on Discord as well. Now, look at that. It's just about wicks. But I'm going to keep this one open for the volatility expected that's coming through the next 10 seconds with the algos. Pretty risky. Let's see, what do we get? What do we get from this algos? My stop loss is set at 2,500, so This one is certainly not enjoyable. Oh, we're gonna get stopped out.
Order filled.
We got stopped out 2,600. And we're gonna have to cut it away here too. Yeah. Nah. And I'm gonna cut it away on my Flex account too. We're back to the VWAP. Look at that. Incredible. What a silly price action. I'm not trading with them at all. Literally bouncing every time we touch that one. Yeah. We got the daily loss. We have a daily loss set. It got stopped out.
Order filled. Order
Get back
filled.
into the other. We had two accounts here. I'm getting back into the other account that was not
Order
traded.
filled.
Still think about this yellow line. It's going to be touched, right? Still think about that yellow line is going to be touched. Yeah. Instantly reacting every time we got into the 300s. Instantly, guys. Instantly. Let's see what's happening. Are they doing this again? Not gonna touch it for the moment. $200 days EMA. 200. Look at that. Another reaction, guys. $15-minute. Looks great. 15-minute looks great. There's a pretty significant higher low here, respecting basically the structure. On this account, I'm going to grab myself along
Order
here
filled.
for the ignite. Come on. Liquidity is going to be grabbed from the upside too. Well, that red line that we have 282 holding us aggressively. Look at the push, guys. We're above the 20s again. Pretty prompt.
Order filled.
Pretty prompt. Target has been touched, $524 confirmed. We're making money here. Nicely making money here too. I'm selling
Order
partially. But I'd like to show you something. Been cooking in the back end. Look at that one. This is stop loss break even. And the other account we have is printing on the Lucid Flex 7 minis long. Printing on the Lucid Flex 7 minis long here. I'm gonna sell something, right? Put a sell up 2 contracts there. And another one here. Increasing my take profit there. But this is very interesting, guys. We're on fire there. We're on fire there. Putting the stop loss right below this right below this green candle. We just open it here. Because if it turns red, there's no reason for me to sit in my trade. With my entry so close, I better capitalize on those 3 points in between my entry. Right, look at that one, guys. If I sell here, we have 155 in the account. You know, have no consistency on this account, so you can leave your winners run and produce you a lot, and then just simply in the next days make the minimum. Look at that one. Like we're sitting here, increasing my take profit. Come on. I want to see you getting rejected here once again. I'll just take 2 contracts out with that limit order. Yeah. We have sold 2 contracts. And leaving the rest open, guys. Leaving the rest open. 650 secured. The rest remains open. Another take profit comes around the 40s. We're just coming from huge winnings. Huge winners and winnings. Last payout was last week, $10,000. You're certainly confusing the streamers. But you can verify that by nicely looking into the streams that are published. We're not deleting the streams from YouTube, even if there is a loss or something like that. You can do copy trading on Flex, you can have 5. Yeah, so we're coming on 2 days back-to-back strong winnings, very strong winnings. And we're very, very close to the payouts with YRM, 2 accounts. One needs 2 days, the other one needs 3 days of minimum profit. Here with the flex accounts as well. Next week we can request a payout from the flex accounts too. Quite early. You can do copy trading with flex, yes. Types of accounts. What do you mean by... Oh, flex with direct. Didn't saw you said direct. Have to verify that. I know at the YRM you can even do copy trading between your evaluations and instant funding accounts. But at Lucid I have to verify that. If you can do copy trading between flex and direct. Pretty decent push, guys. We're letting the winner run. This is the advantage. Great. We sold 2 contracts. Probably I'm going to sell 2 more. Yep, I sold 2 more. So we have 2,495 fully secured. I'll just leave this one of break even right there. A single contract, a single mini contract. 2,495 secured. Time to run the fireworks. Time to run the fireworks. This is 156 in 2 days. Boom. You know, for the max payout, we need to do $6,000. Because you can take 50% of your balance. And the max payout is 3,000. So for 3,000 to be 50%, we got to do 6,000 on the funded stage for this 150k. And we already made that 6,000. So we only need to do the minimum for the next 3 days, and we're taking the max payout from here. And let me see the other account. Let me switch to that. This one is net PNL minus 28 bucks. Not an issue. Our direct accounts are not in the best shape. They only have 660 bucks. But assuming that next week 2 payouts from YRM, that's 5 grand. And 6,000 from the flex, that's 11. You get 90 to 10, so I get 10,000 from 11. That's good. 10,000 is on the table for the next week. I just have to do the minimum here. Maybe a little more than the minimum, because I got to get to 156. For this one, we have 154, 600. But let me just not rush into... Get back to this one that we've made a bunch today. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on, like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. The Lucid Flex accounts do not have a consistency or payout target on the funded stage. Pass the evaluation and then no consistency, no target for your payout. Just 5 days of trading with minimum values each day. We're going to let this winner run. Ho ho! We're going to let this nice winner run. No buffer. No buffer. This yellow line here, this is the place I'm going to sell. Where I have to think about, I might just leave this one for a pretty strong runner into the 400s. We already have the great money secured. Right? And I'm going to leave it for the 400s. No buffer. Thank you so much for joining, guys. But then the YRM, 44 bucks evaluations, no activation fee. We have a single mini contract. You can't split that, right? Can't you? We have a mini here. So if I close here, we have a $3,000 net P&L. If I'm going to get break even with this trade, I'll have a $2,500 net P&L. And that money is sufficient basically for the max payout. So even if I hit break even, I go max payout. That's why, for the name of the show, for the love of the game, and for the beauty of the adrenaline, I'm gonna leave it open for the moment. No activation fee for the Lucid Flex. We're gonna trail at some point. For example, right below this candle, right below the wick of the candle we just opened it, I'm trailing below that one. Look at that. We're touching the resistance line here, guys. We're touching this resistance line. And I'm gonna be out. I'm selling my position. I'm selling $700. Thank you, guys. 3,200 net P&L. Look at that one. 3,200 net P&L. 6,800. You know, that has been made in 2 days. You guys know that? Because you don't have consistency. No activation fee, no consistency. Just about printing the money. That is the name of the Lucid Flex accounts. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. Look at the account here. This is the dashboard of the account. This is the dashboard. Pretty good, right? We don't have live accounts right now. No. Market opens in 10 minutes. Market opens in 10 minutes. I'm back in 3 minutes, guys. I'll take a little break. I'm back in 3 minutes. Back in 3 minutes. What's up, guys? We're back. We're back. We are back. Thank you so much, guys. Come on. You know what I'm gonna do? $372 closed long. Ho ho. Beautiful. I'm gonna... Market opens in 3 minutes. I think they're gonna run the price action. They either take it back to the daily VWAP here, or all the way down to the trending support line at the opening, or from the opening. Or the other scenario that I have, so it's either this from the opening, right? Or quickly spiking back up to yesterday's high at the opening, which is at 412. These are the three scenarios that I'm thinking about. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Make sure to like the video. Oh, well, there's a lot to get into the 100s. You have this support line, the yellow line. You have the VWAP above. You have the daily opening, weekly VWAP, today's low. So you have so many pivot points that could actually trigger the algos. Look at that. Look at that wild pressure. That's a wild pressure. You know, I'm going to try to do something on this account. Look at that. Brought it all the way back. Crazy, guys. I want to do something on my flex that I still have to trade today. Flexing my muscles there. And maybe, you know, the max loss here for the day, the daily loss is 4,500 or something like that. 4,500, like $400 difference from the price I'm right now. I'm gonna go over it and see what can I do. And I'm gonna trade this account too. Our trade of 8 is still making money, guys. Look at that. Did you forget about my trade of 8? Look at that, 3,300. We're making money with our trade of 8, guys. Did you forget about it?
Order filled.
I sold part of it, and I'm leaving the rest open. We've secured some profits. I'll put a stop there, 325. Scrambles and fire. Prop firms getting terrified. Look at that one, guys. We're printing. Thank you so much. Thank you. 10 seconds to go. Oh my gosh. Best of luck, everyone, on the opening bell. Testing a little short here. Come on. $400 is the daily loss. Nah, we touched the daily max loss. Yeah. Was thinking about they would take the today's high and then bring it back down. Trade of 8 is printing big money. Big money. Big money pop in at the 400s. I'm selling partially.
Order filled.
Leaving the open, selling.
Order filled.
Selling more. And more and more.
Order filled.
Insane. 3 micros, 600 bucks on 3 micros. We have 100 points. We made today $5,000 on this one. Trading only micros. This is the 3rd day and then we have 14 grand. Or the 4th day. This is a Simpro account tap on futures. I'm fully out here.
Order filled.
There you go. 5,154 bucks trading micros. $13,871. Boom. Trading micros. We're on fire, guys. We're on fire. And this is no joke. Big money has been made. Thank you so much. Yeah, it's just about morning fireworks. Look at that. All the way up to the monthly opening, 480s. So this is what I gotta trade. The question is how? I want to do 250 bucks here. So not gonna trade minis. I'm gonna trade... No, let me just stick to my strategy with minis. I'm out. We made $108. We made $108. We were running an experiment there to trade with micros. On that Tradovate account, on Simpro Tap on Futures, we were doing an experiment. And we made 14 grand in 3 or 4 days. 4 days, actually. 14 grand in 4 days with micros. Single little short here. In case we get some pressure down. Not gonna desire too much from it. I'm out. 205 total profit. Well, the equity stability score is 20. So if I do like 25 grand, I'm gonna be fine. We made half of it. 205 here on this flex. 45 bucks more. $45 more. Yeah. 10,000 is 2 more days like we had today. Or actually, I could say 3 days of 3,333. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on. Grabbing a little short here. I'm out. 286 profit, celebration time, look at that. Net PNL 286, which is fully confirmed to be the profit for the day needed. This 150k flex accounts, boom, only need 250 bucks a day. And that's it, right? $286. Both flex accounts we have been going through some great times. Which account do I like? Lucid is not having 10 seconds rule, buddy. Lucid. No. Lucid is not having a 10 seconds rule. Lucid is not having it. Which account do I like the best? Right now, YRM, 150k instant funded. Easiest possible in the space. Also, huge discount. $450 instead of $540 with my code. So the platform is giving you 40%, I give you 50. 10 days of $150 each. That's it. 6,000 max loss. That's insane. Instant funded. And the next one that I love is the Lucid Flex accounts, 150k. 5-second rule, but you know how the 5-second rule is. The 5-second rule means that 50% of your profit that you're making needs to come from trades that you held for more than 5 seconds. Right? So, and look at durations we have for the past days. 1 minute 48 seconds, 2 minutes and 40 seconds, 4 minutes and 25 seconds. Right, so we've made the majority. Today we made just 286, but the majority of the money, way above 50%, is made with great timing. Mostly English. Maybe I understand some Spanish, some Italian, but certainly cannot categorize myself. 50% of your trades needs to come from positions you held at least for 5 seconds. And not just trades, the money you made. So what we have here, guys, we need another $250 day, and we're taking the payout. We're taking the payout once we have another $250 day. Gracias. A little Spanish, a little Italian, a few words in Germany, a little more in English, and sufficient. Totally. Look at that one, guys. All the way up to 460s. Nasdaq is now playing games today. We broke out. And look at the pattern here. So the line that I had on my chart, it was totally respected by the market makers. We managed to break out. This yellow line is a trending yellow line. Resistance trending line of the triangle. We broke above, we retested, took the liquidity below, scared a lot of the people, and just managed to close the candlestick with a rejection. So the breakout is confirmed when that happens, and you're running. That's why it's important to trade only when the candlesticks are closing. That's a strategy which most of the time I'm not respecting, but it's a good strategy, guys, to trade at the closing of a candle. Based on the closing of a candle, it's interesting. Yeah. Let me see, what can I do here? Maybe a little
Order
short.
filled.
2 contracts. From the tap 1 futures is with 10 seconds, guys. These guys are with 10 seconds. Stop loss break even. I'm out.
Order filled.
244. We got to do $500 here.
Order filled.
Shorting the price action. You know, I would close it here, but the silly 10 seconds, right? How many seconds do I have? Can I close it? I would have closed this one.
Order filled.
That's the issue with the 10 seconds. You saw this. If it's your stop loss touched earlier than 10 seconds, it's not a problem. If it's your profit, take profit touched, it's a problem. This was 19 seconds long.
Order filled.
Getting back in a little long here. Stop loss break even. I'm out.
Order filled.
448. 458 profit. We need $50 more. You saw that I would have closed because my $500 target would have hit earlier on that short. But I couldn't because of the 10 seconds. It's a little too much with the 10 seconds. They could actually switch that to 5 seconds, and 50% of your trades and of the money you're making should come from trades you're holding at least 5 seconds. That's much better. But 10 seconds every single trade is something I'm not really enthusiastic about. Getting back to the monthly opening, we actually got there. The whole market is green today. Except. Even Bitcoin is green today, but it's weak. I think Bitcoin is going to run in the last 10 days of the year and then continue in the first quarter of 2026. Yeah. I'm going to let them know. 100% I'm going to let them know to reconsider the 10 seconds into 5 seconds, just like Lucid have it. Because you see, people with Lucid do not have that problem. We're going to switch into micros. We're not going to trade minis. We only need $50 here. And I'm going to seek to do some shorts. You know, I'm going to be crazy playing against the market here.
Order
Look at
filled.
that.
Order filled.
Oh, BTC is pumping. But I care a little more about my Nasdaq, which looks like it's unstoppable here. And I got into that little short.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Every time we take the high,
Order filled.
I'm DCAing. Every time.
Order filled. Order filled.
We give the whole profit back.
Order filled.
I'm waiting for some silly candle. Obviously, I should have been... we might just...
Order filled. Order filled.
Obviously, I should have cut my loss at a $50 or $100
Order
and
filled.
reorganized in a different trade, right?
Order filled.
Instead of continuously DCing like this. This is... Look at that. I'm going to cut some of my position. Bad strategy I applied. Bad strategy. I underestimated the strength behind this move. They're going to bring it back up.
Order filled.
My daily loss is at 1,000.
filled.
I've DC'd into this candle. Come on. Just a little lower. Nah.
Order filled.
Take profit touched. 515, but that was silly, guys. That was a mistake. We're gonna celebrate it. We made the money, but that was a mistake. You have also seen the advantages of trading the micros. Boom. They can run it back up. I only needed those 2 red candles. It was lucky. 100%. It was a mistake by me not cutting it away at 50 or 100 bucks. You guys remember my trade of 8 long today? We stopped at 5 grand because of consistency. But also, you guys remember the flex accounts we were having, running, making money? Think about no consistency in such a day. You get into at the VWAP, you have no consistency, you leave your runner open. It gives you 250 points. Alright guys, so make sure to join our Discord. Make sure to join our Discord. We're starting our giveaways quite soon. Let me look into the 4-hour situation here. What's happening in the 4-hour situation? Nah. Let me just cut away all these things and share with you something very important for the 4 hours. This one. That's pretty heavy, guys. You know that opens the doors for discussions of all-time high. January. You know? That actually opens the doors for discussions of all-time high January. Look at that. This 4-hour candle we have here and this movement we had today that we're making money on opens the discussions for some nice all-time high in January. What do you guys think about? Usually when we have a clear invalidation candlestick, I'm going with it. And that is places that I'm not expecting basically the market makers to catch some liquidity from the retail. Other than that, I usually DCA at the places where the liquidity of the stop losses exist that is needed for the market makers and institutional trading to load up into their sizing. That liquidity is needed. I'm also trying to be part of that. Yeah. Nasdaq looks very good. Nvidia as well. Ho ho, what a massive gap. But then what about gold is just sliding. Sliding through the roof. Not doing much, ranging. The US dollar. Let's have a look into the US dollar daily candle situation. Nah. The flat supply we had here and confirmed it is not a good sign. Let me take you through the process. So the flat supply we had here and confirmed it. We actually confirmed that supply and rejection for the second time touching it. Yeah. And the effect of that is confirming the power of the supply there. But at the same time, any low that's being put in and it sits above 96.7 is a higher low to your structure. Whether you do it here, you can do it over there, right? So the big deal is from the bouncing you're getting, where do you put your highs? Where do you put your highs? Verification comes in. Crazy Nasdaq. But lovely. So that was the candle. And that was the moment. Let's do something, guys. I actually bought 5 evaluations of 50k on YRM. I have 3 instant funded of 150. But I did wanted to play some nice games. You can still trade evaluations if you have instant funded. You can do that. It's just that you cannot convert them if you have the max allocation. Max allocation is 3 accounts of instant funded or funded. It doesn't matter how they get to be funded. Could be from a challenge or could be instant funded. So I have all the 3. And I got myself 5 evaluations of 50k. And I'm going to try to do copy trading on all the 5. So I'm going to set up the copy trader. Name 50k experiment. Let's this is the parent account, and then we're going to have to select the child account. If we pass them, I'm going to keep them on we reshorted this. I'm going to keep them on pause if we pass them. Max allocation is not from value. Max allocation comes from the number of accounts. 3 funded accounts. Thank you so much, guys. Good job. Yeah, we only need 2 days on one account and 3 days on the other. So next week, hopefully, I'm going to qualify for a payout. Five evaluations we got here. Come on. Give me something on it. Shouldn't make more than 1,500 because of the consistency. 50%, right? So all the way to 30s. Let's see if we can push this all the way to 30s. Stop loss break even there. Look at that one, guys. Oh, come on. Keep going. Just a little more. Just a little more. Oh my god, look at that one. What a silly price action. We were so close, like 2 or 3 points away. And they completely denied. And it's going to... Look at that one, guys. Oh my god. I'm not trading this one anymore. You see the scam? And you guys say the market makers are not watching our live stream. You guys keep saying that. And the proofs are just coming up. $2,000 drawdown. Look at that. Should I knife catch here? Something? What do you think about knife catching? Let's do a 4 contracts long. Stop loss break even. I'm out. 1,160. Thank you. Let's make another $300. So they thought with that dirty thing they can stop me, right? They cannot stop us. We're the best community, the strongest, the healthiest. Having huge potential for 2026. This is free money, guys. This is money on the floor. I'm relonging this one. Let's see. Just a single contract. I want to see them push back above the 65. I've DC'd there. I've DC'd there. They're going down for the trailings. They're going down for the trailings. Don't worry about it. DC'd once again. Don't worry about it. They're going down for the trailings. Profit has been touched. 1,480. Copy trading it on 5 accounts. 1,480. Copy trading it on 5 accounts. That's how you pass an evaluation, guys. We're halfway through. We have 50% consistency. It's 5 accounts, not 1. Boom. Gotta celebrate, right? It's the love and joy of trading. No, I'm not gonna do that 20 bucks today. No, no, no. Enough is enough. Lovely. Beautiful. Happy Friday. We talked about it. It's right there in the title. So that's how you pass the evaluation. 5 accounts, copy trading them. Yeah. We got the accounts here. Look at that. Three that are funded, 150k instant funded, and 5 evaluations of 50k. We made 1,480 first day. Not bad. But very important, guys. Very, very, very important for those of you that are fresh here. Well, we need 2 more days on this one. This one needs 2 more days. And we're taking the payout. Lovely. Alright guys, so let's just get ready for the giveaway. Final heads up. Final heads up. Sign up the form. Do not sleep on it. Do not sleep on it. Once again, YRM, Scramble coupon code, best discounts, Lucid as well. We're going to have a video about Lucid. We're about to touch the 600s. This is pretty wild. But we're talking about the all-time high chance and situation. Are they going to try to push this one into all-time high in late 2025? What do you guys think about? Let me just look into exactly what's the all-time high value. We need a lot of the points. You know, almost 800. Actually, more than 800 points. But the daily move is extremely powerful. They're going to take this one into an all-time high in January. Look at that. You know, this high or low here is insane. This high or low here we just managed to do on Nasdaq for the daily is just very powerful, guys. There's no way you could actually underestimate that. They're going for the gap here, taking the gap 766 this year. I'm 99% sure 766 is going to be touched But then 26,400. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. So you can also join the Discord. You gotta join the Discord, otherwise you cannot win. And we are soon going to start. Let me just get some of the things ready. So all the money made on Lucid too. Lucid Flex direct accounts didn't work today. We're getting ready, guys. We are getting ready. Put your hands together. This is going to be pretty hot. How to participate? Well, how to join the giveaway. Like the video, everyone. Come on. Like the video, guys. Mandatory right now. Like the video. The next thing is be subscribed to my YouTube channel, streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time. Turn on the notification bell. So you want to receive notifications when we post on YouTube and when we are going live. And the third thing, you gotta be part of our Discord community. First giveaway will be the $25,000 Ignite account, Tap 1 Futures, instant funded. $25,000 Ignite account, Tap 1 Futures, instant funded. That's going to be the first giveaway about. I'll give you a few more seconds because I have to think about the numbers. All right, so we're going to have 10 zeros. And only 3 number 1. And a single number 2 and a single number 3. You can start right now. You can start right now. You can start. 10 zeros, 3 number 1, a single number 2, and a single number 3. That's what we're having today, guys. That was a huge die. If we have more than 100 winners for the 0, or for the others, there's going to be 2 rounds. Top 3 will qualify for the second round in the duck race. Top 3 will grab the second round in the duck race. Ten zeros, 3 number 1, a single number 2 and 3. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. I'll shuffle. This way. We're gonna do it this way, guys. Best of luck, everyone. Let's see. Could be that green number 1, guys. I'm fearing it. Could be that green number 1. I'm actually fearing it. And I'm telling you, the paddle is live today and we're going there. It's the green number 1, guys. The paddle, are we gonna be capable moving it? Come on. Look at that. And there you go. That was pretty hot. Oh my god, that was pretty hot. Look at that. It's the green number 1. Paddle has been activated. What on earth is happening, guys? That's totally rigged. Cheers, guys. Cheers, everyone. Let's just find it out. Let's just find it out. Who's out there with a number 1? 44. Oh my god. How come? 44, guys. How come? You guys will compete for a single minute. Best of luck, everyone. I mean, it depends. Lower quantity by themselves alone, but if you have 3 of number 1, 3 of number 2, you might see it's not that low in quantity. Jake, we're gonna do a bunch of number 2 soon. Come on. Keep the paddle running. Paulo Brazil 500. Look at that one. With a Brazilian here. Number 34, Paulo Brazil. Congratulations for taking the account. Let's just find it out if you're actually on the list. We're gonna find it out. Don't worry about it. You're being hunted. There you go. I'm gonna zoom in. So, Paulo. Are you here? Paulo Brazil 500. There you go. Congratulations for taking the account. That's a no activation. No activation for YRM. Obrigado. You're welcome. Congratulations. Going to the next one, guys. Going to the next wheel. You gotta listen up to the way we organize the numbers and think about. Second giveaway will be $50K Lucid Pro. The second ranked gets congratulations and other encouragements. Second giveaway will be $50,000 Lucid Pro account. We don't have numbers that we have Top 1 Futures was the first account we give out in the first giveaway. Top 1 Futures. So let me tell you. We'll have 10 number 2. And 5 number 3. That's it. That's it. You can start right now. 10 number 2, 5 number 3. 10 number 2, 5 number 3. Let me know what do you think about, guys. Come on. Best of luck. Jake, if you don't win at this time, it's impossible. You're impossible if you're not winning at this time. If we have more than 100 winners for a specific number, We're taking it to the second round with a top 3. Market's nicely holding on 550s. Not bad. Come on. Keep it running. Make sure to like the video for those of you that joined late. So at the time we started the giveaway, we were at 200. Now we're 170. Because the pedal worked, people got angry. Stop right there. No more guesses. Stop right there. Stop right there. We're going to shuffle them this way, right? So we have the number 3 nicely spread. Those are the number 3. Best of luck, everyone. Do you want me to disconnect the pedal, or should we keep it on? For the name of the environment of funny times, I think it's going to be the red number 2 right before the yellow number 3. The red number 2 right before the yellow number 3. That's the red number 2. Congratulations for the winners. That's how the pedal showed to me. It's the number 2 there. Congratulations for the winners. Let's see if we get more than 100. Game over. Let's see. 118. 118. So the time you thought you had great chances. You know, let's go for a minute and 30 seconds here. Shuffle them boys and start. Which is why it's much better to go on a middle number. Come on. Top 3 will qualify for the second round of duck race. You don't need better, guys. Come on. Thank you so much for joining, by the way. Top 3. There's about 30 of you that are not even here on the screen. Free humanity. I'm gonna press the pedal. If you don't step back, I'll press the pedal. Free humanity from the top. You don't believe me, right? Alright, guys, look at that. 4 seconds to go. Come on. And we got happy kits. We've got happy kits. We got happy kits. Dona. Happy kits. Dona. And smooth operator. Oh my god. PG contract on the 5th, on the 4th as well. I mean, you gotta be on the list, guys, so let's see. He drowned. Yeah. Let's see. Are you on the list? Happy. Happy kids right there. Confirmed. Dona. Yes, confirmed. And the smooth. Are you here, smooth? Yes, smooth operator. So happy, Dona, and smooth. You guys are gonna compete for a single minute. We have one more giveaway, guys. Didn't even appear ever once. You gotta blame the community for guessing that number 2. Look at the happy kids. Having a top... Someone is gonna speed up. But is pretty much unknown. And we got a smooth. We got a smooth. Smooth operator. There you go. It got boosted last 10 seconds, baby. There you go. Smooth, congratulations. $50,000. Lucid Pro account goes out to you. Look at that one. Nah. Happy you're second. And then you have a single dog in the top 10. Happy, look at that. You have a single dog in the top 10. We're going for the last giveaway of the week. And that's a YRM account. And we're going to do some special numbers out there. We're going to do some special numbers. So, let's just think about what kind of combination should I go about. Gotta be difficult, right? This is the YRM accounts, 50k YRM. Let's think about. So we're gonna do 10 zeros. 3 7, the lucky 7, 3 7. 1 number 1, 1 number 2, and 1 number 3. 10 zeros, 3 number 7, and then just 1 number 1, number 2, and number 3. You can start right now. Come on, let's go. 10 zeros, 3 lucky 7, and then a single number from 1 to 3. Best of luck, everyone. Come on. I think most of the people will go with the lucky 7. Look at that from what I see on the chat. More than with, you know, you only have 3 7 compared to 10 zeros. Basically, 60% of the wheel is different than the zeros. 60% of the wheel. Or maybe not. Maybe not. Actually less. You gotta do the math. What is 6 out of 16? It's not 60%. It's less. Maybe it's about 35 or something like that. You gotta do the math, guys. In order to be 60%, it should be more than half, and that should be above 8. Because we have 16 in total. 6 are different. Do the math, guys. Do the math quickly. Come on. Like 40%, yeah. Alright, so stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. We're going to shuffle them. I'm going to leave it this way, guys. So if this part of the wheel hits, 100% winner for the ones going with a 0. You also have 3 zeros combined here. So basically the only thing on this part of the wheel that is bothering you is this number 3. We're actually doing a form of technical analysis here of the wheel. This is an indicator that I'm applying right now. This is like a technical analysis. Best of luck, guys. If the other part of the wheel hits, very small chances for the ones with a 0. Best of luck, everyone. So we're just passing that part. We're just passing right now that part that is crowded with the zeros. I think that's going to be the blue number 7 or the green 0. I think that's going to be the green 0. In between 2 lucky 7s. Look at that one. That's pretty painful. Oh my god. That's pretty painful, guys. The acceleration of the panel is no longer working. Cannot handle it. But back came in pretty juicy. Nah. Look at that. We got you on the 0. Congratulations for the winners. We got you with the zeros. Here we are. 96. So there is not going to be 2 rounds. You got lucky about this one. 96 winners. There's not going to be 2 rounds, but you will compete for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Shuffle them once, and you're good to go. 50k YRM. Come on. Good luck. Oh, falling asleep, guys. I'm falling asleep. Gotta drink more green tea. Not good. Come on. We gotta bring up the energy. We had a lot of adrenaline on the trading. And once we stopped, you know how your body calms down. That's exactly what happens. Bunch of money made today. And we're getting close to the payouts with 4 accounts. 2 YRM 150k instant funded. 2 Lucid Flex 150k. One is actually very close. It needs only a single day. Really fun. Thank you so much, buddy. Thank you so much. Wish you a lovely and peaceful weekend. Come on, ducks. Keep it going. 40 seconds to go. Ranking is just up there. About 4 p.m. 4 p.m. in 30 minutes. Looking at one. V's at the top comes in. But I think it's going to get stuffed out. Whiz. Crypto game codes. Crypto game codes. You got it. Let's go. Come on. Congratulations. D-Money, the 2nd. And Zill from Finland, the 3rd. Very close to crypto game codes. Let's find it out. Crypto game codes is fully confirmed. Congratulations, buddy. Congratulations out there. Crypto game codes fully confirmed. 50 grand YRM. Reach out to me on Discord. Thank you so much, guys. Stay safe and enjoy your weekend as well, buddy. Have a lovely time. Look at that. What's happening here? Are they going nasty about the Nasdaq price action? Not that nasty. Nah. 120 points done. But we actually managed to pump here from the 270s into the 600s. So don't forget about that one. 270s into the 600s. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Have a lovely day. Have a lovely time. Wish you the best. We keep in touch on Discord. I'll post a video on my YouTube channel. I'm going to send you a newsletter. Have a lovely day. Scramble coupon code for the highest discounts. Thank you so much. Thank you. Appreciate it. We talk to you over the Discord and we keep in touch for Monday.